All right, Jeff. Can you give any of my possible customers a little background on yourself?
I'm not. You mean like?
Just your project, your home.
Oh yes, yeah. We have a roughly 30-year-old home that needed new siding. We weren't sure what we wanted to do or how we wanted to approach it, but once we met and talked to the people at Legacy, they gave us their recommendations, and based on what they said, we're thrilled with how it turned out.
Fantastic. Do you remember what product you chose to go with?
We went with the vinyl siding, but we went with the wider siding. I don't remember the brand name, to be honest with you.
It's all right. It's called Cedar Ridge. I believe you went with the foam back PVC vinyl.
Yeah, the foam back Cedar Ridge. It's done. It's fantastic. The noise reduction is apparent, and the insulation, the heating costs for the winter went down. Now that we've had that installed, so that was a real good thing.
Great. When you were in the process of looking for the siding, was there anything that specifically attracted you to Legacy Remodeling, or anything that you specifically was kind of had you held up on the fence?
Well, we had heard good things. We had done a little bit of research and saw that you guys had a good reputation for doing honest and quality work. So once we started, down that path, then we talked to the salespeople there, and they gave us a good feel that they were going to be able to get it done and be able to get it done at a good cost. So that was our
fantastic. During the installation, how did the installation process go? Was it an easy process for you guys from start to finish, or were there any pitfalls along the way?
No, the installation process was rough. Was fairly smooth. I mean, there was a few hiccups just due to the weather, and we got it done later in the year. It was November, December time, so there was some. It took a little bit longer than expected, but nothing out of the outrageous. And we were happy with it once it was completed, for sure.
Great. Was there anything Legacy could have done better for you?
No, not at all. And we were thrilled with the process, from the initial estimate. The availability of credit was great, at a great rate. So that all worked out fantastically.
Good. Well, I appreciate the time that you shared with us. Is there anything in specific you'd like to share with other folks considering using Legacy Remodeling?
Yeah, we were thrilled with the product. We were thrilled with the service that we received, and we were just thrilled all the way around. So that would be my takeaway. Fantastic,
Jeff. I really appreciate your time.
Sure.
And obviously, if there's anything we can do for you as you continue to enjoy your new siding, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
We certainly will. Thank you.
Thank you so much.